Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Jose Luis Cesar. I'm going to make a review of scientific notation. Who has any idea of what that is? Any idea? Have you ever? No? Never?
It's the thing where there's a number and then the section
To the left, to the right? Yeah, that's in Spain is the same. To the left or to the right? Okay. How do you say? Deactivate? Deactivate? So there is this Batman evil guy called the Riddle. Do you know the Riddle? Played by Jim Carrey in a 19 movie, a very bad movie about Batman. And say it's like the Joker, but not so funny. Okay, he's just making riddles. And in 60s series on TV, there was a Batman series. I'm gonna show you some photos next. There was this Batman with a pajama or something like that. Also, and there was this riddle, and all the chapters was the same. The riddle puts a bomb, and then when the Batman said, "Oh, that's a riddle. You have to make it out before the bomb explodes." And it was always the same, but it was funny because it was Batman. Okay, so the riddle has put a bomb anywhere there, a very big bomb, and you have to deactivate it. You've got to write numbers in scientific notation. The riddle is a little crazy, just like the Joker, more or less. So he puts like any riddle. This is the riddle he put today. Okay? So Batman is not only a superhero because he's strong, but he's the perfect detective. He knows about everything. He knows about blood. He knows about you know yeah, fingerprints. He knows about everything. Or he can learn. He has computers. He has everything. So it's not the typical superhero. He can solve problems by thinking. Okay, that's what I like Batman. I like Batman too because he has no remorse if he kills somebody. Okay, if he has to kill somebody, he kills it and says what's needful. It's not like Superman. Oh, I don't want to kill anybody because I'm good. Batman kills if he has to, and he's intelligent. Okay. Maybe the farmer for saying it, but that's Batman. So he learned. Batman not only put himself strong, like making workouts and so on, but he also thought a lot. He studied a lot, many years in Nepal or anywhere, just working out and thinking, studying. Okay, to get back to Gotham and save people. So you have to be a little to save people. Let's say the distance to a star, okay? It's maybe, I don't know, but I can write this number. Do I have to write all these numbers? Since there's not a better way to write it, so I don't have to write so much. That was what astronomers thought about, because astronomers work with very large numbers. And they said, okay, let's do it this way. This number is let's put the comma. Where is the comma here? We say comma this time. It's here. Okay? So not to write so much, we're gonna write like this. Let's move this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Why here? Because the only rule you have to follow is leave a number. Different to 0 to the left. What do you say? Do it like this. Here. I'm gonna do it. How do you call this? What? So it would be like this. .5. How do you call it like this? And now you have to write a number here. Which number do I have to write here for this to have the same value as this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This number is the same as this number, but you have to write less, okay? So astronomers were happy about this because they don't have to write so much numbers, okay? This is an example. I'm gonna do 2 or 3 more. What? Yeah. The 8 comes from here. You move the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 9. 9 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And this is the same number, written in a more compact way. Okay? And it's as easy as moving the decimal from here to here. Not here or here. Here, because you have to let just one number different to 0 to the left of the point. Here. Okay? You have to write it down to remember. Okay? You have to write it down. Why are we doing this? Because we're gonna need it for exercises on page 100. Okay? You're gonna need it. Can I do something more? Yeah? Yeah? Can I go on? I'm gonna do 5 examples, okay? But I need you to write down this. Come on. Come on. You have to find a way to write numbers in a more compact way, okay? If you don't find it, you have to write a lot of zeros. Can I go on? Can I go on? Gonna go on. Next one. Please listen to me. Stop writing. Just look at me and what I'm doing. Okay? To write these numbers, scientific notation, I go like this. 5, and then the point is here. I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.3, 10 to the power of 4. Okay? Because I have moved the decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. 3,500 would be 1, 2, 3, 3.5 to the power of 3. Okay? 400. I move it from here 1, 2, 4, power of 2 because I move it 2 times, twice. Okay? This I move it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2.34, 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.17 to the power of 4. Questions? Is easy or not? I don't learn something from one example. I learn when I do it 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, or maybe 100 times. For some things, like folding trousers, I need maybe 100 times to do it, or to learn to do it. Doesn't matter. I finally learned. It takes a little more time, but I finally learned. Okay? You know how to do it or not?